Alright, we had some other questions too about part of this. This screw right here in particular, it's part of like your starting screw, I guess is the best way to describe it. So if you back this screw out too far, it allows this lever here to go backwards and basically starves your engine. You only want to adjust it tighter slightly. And how it works is as you basically, when you advance the throttle, that piece kind of moves forward to a certain degree, and you release the throttle and it goes back to a stop, so it stops it from going back too far. So basically, it's kind of, as you're trying to start this, you'd pull this lever out. This lever spins either way and it moves this arm, which is connected to this rod, and the rod pulls on this piece here slightly. So when you go start it, you pull it out, which kind of, it basically, it's not really a choke, it's more of a pull to prime, so it shoots fuel into the carburetor and also advances this arm slightly. Here, as you give a little bit of throttle, and allows it to come forward just a little bit. If you come forward too far with that screw, then you're probably going to flood your engine. If too far out, you're basically starving it for fuel as well. And kind of works together with that and your screw up here in the top to adjust. And this is, and that's how it kind of works together. So it pulls the arm just a little bit, and you may not even notice it move some days, but that's why you have it out for the cold start, which, well, I think a lot of people think it was a choke, but it's basically to advance this arm slightly here to give a little bit more fuel flow through the motor when it's cold.